Canva just introduced a wonderful feature to their software, a wonderful feature for sending of email, customized email to send to different customers depending on your email list, especially people that are into email marketing and digital marketing. Check out this video. They added new features such as editing your, setting up your website using Canva, doing video editing with AI in Canva as well, doing eye-catchy designs of emails that you're going to send out, and even Canva templates and other suites that is on Canva. They ended up adding up a whole lot of other things into Canva, a whole lot of other things that we'll still explore later on after this video. We'll explore it and make the videos as well. Each and every one of these features is done to step up and level up the usage of Canva, besides what we are already used to on Canva, like the editing flyer, doing a flyer design of your choice. So let's get back to the home page of Canva to finish up with clicking on the email design. I set up an email template. If you are someone that has an email list, whether 1,000 persons, 2,000 persons, or 5,000 persons, you can actually use Canva to design a very good email template, whether for sports, whether for food, if you're on the food niche, or you're in the sports niche, whether you're in the gaming niche, whether you're in tech niche, e-commerce niche, whatever niche you are in, Canva has a template for you, a template that is properly designed. On the left side of my screen, as you can see, the different email templates that is already pre-designed. All you have to do is edit it to your choice. Each and every one of them is very clearly listed. Let's go ahead and click on this very one. It's a weekly wellness reminder. And there's another one here, sweet memories. So you just have to edit based on, you just have to pick up a template for the email, for the one you want to use to send out to your readers, to your clients, to your customers. Okay, pick up an email template based on your niche. You wouldn't just pick up any template unless you want to redesign everything from scratch. Okay, any email template will eventually serve you, but if you are to pick the one that is related to your niche, you'll be able to work faster and be able to connect easily and make a lot of edits and make a fewer edits. So here is the template. We are trying to edit each and every one of the pages. You just have to double click each and every one of the maybe a text. You double click, go to the text format, and make some edits. Okay, put up some things you want to, maybe increase the font. You can see the fonts there are small. You can increase the size to what suits you the most. You can change the date, you can change the title from, like you can see here, sweet memory. I'm changing it to gentle memories. Okay, depending on whatever you want to write, you can change this image right here. It must not be the image they put on the template. That will be your own image. You can change the image. You can delete this very image and put in the image of your choice, the image of what you want to talk about. You can change the color of the template to the color of your brand. I can increase the number of pages for the email template. Okay, you just have the thing is designed, the template is designed to be extended. Okay, to work according to your wish, work according to your will. There are several other sections. You can see about the evening that was written here. Everything is designed such a way that you can actually change them, remove whatever that was written there, and put in what to excite your readers, what to make your readers to come back for more, what to make your readers to buy into whatever you are dealing with. Even if it's an event email you want to send out, you can use this email template to design it. put up the change the images that are there. As you can see this one here right now, you can change the images there, alter them as much as possible. Okay, if you want to change the image, you go to the left, go to the upload section and pick up the image on your computer or your phone. Each and every one of them can always be done. Send the image as much as possible, change the address, change the time, put your location if it's what you prefer, put up a lot of changes, and then conclude the work you are doing. Once you are done with the edits on the email template, go ahead and click on share on the top right side of the screen. Click on share. You can test run you can click on test, send test now. So you can go ahead and click on the share button on the top right side of the screen. Once you click on share button, to open up, click on the email design, email logo. Click on the send button aspect of it, and then you send it out the email. Just wait a little long for the email to pop up. We must have connected it. You now click on send. So right now it's connecting with my own email address. Once it's done, your work is complete. Thank you.